everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blur transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, and then you can add the video that you want to edit. In here, I want to add three video. And if you wanna add a blur effect, a blur transition effect, so you just click on a box white, this one. You just click on it, and then in here you can swipe until you can see a blur effect, this one. So you just click on it, and then in here you can set the duration for the transition effect. So, and then after this, if you wanna apply this transition to the all video, you just click on apply to all, click on it, and then in here you just click on check icon. And now finish. So that how to add a blur transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.